Cottonwood Burl bowl. Let's do this. All right, everybody. Mail call. Michael over at Epps Creations sent me a couple stickers. I got one on the pressure pot. We'll get this one on the board. Michael, thank you, man. Go check out his channel. Great channel. I'll leave a link to his channel below in the description box. But anyway, Epps Creations. Go check out Michael. Again, I'll have a link down there. So, great work. Thanks, Michael. Appreciate you, brother.
A spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? When all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. My ground when I back down each time. Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day. I'm trying to juggle, losing track, no turning back. I'm running through fire, step by step, day by day, burning the wire, pushed around.
Hate it. I hate it. We're going to change that. Hate it. There we go. Much better.
But I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? As the days go by, I keep wondering why the struggle never ends. In this endless fight, I'm
With a lid, without a lid. With a lid, without a lid. Let me know in the comments below. Well, there it is. A Cottonwood Burl hollow form, double live edge. Walnut, figured walnut for the lid. Pretty holy. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can see that figure. But it's awesome. Anyway, there it is. I'll have some still shots at the end. Let me know about the lid. I like it. But then again, looks good like that also. So, anyway, make it look cool. There you go. Anyway, there it is. Like I said, I'll leave some still shots at the end. Thank you guys for everything. Don't forget, you know the rules. Like, subscribe, share if you want to. So, anyway, there's another Jordan Woodworks approved hollow form, double live edge, Cottonwood Burl with figured walnut lid. Alright guys, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.